Every time I go to the garden, it gives me the memories where I grown up. In the morning, I used to go first to water the plants with the hen before going to school. And once you come from the school, you've done the lunch and the homework, and then you're back in the 5-6 o'clock again pouring the water. My mom given me so much passion in the cooking. I love it. I believe I'm born in it. My name is Francky Godinho. I'm the chef and the owner of St. George's Restaurant in Hawke's Bay. It's a family-run restaurant, so we are connected to our clients, our guests. They are like a family for us. What we do at St. George's is totally organic. We grow 95% of our produce, and we change the menu every 4 weeks. Try to give everything organic, natural, sustainable, keeping in mind the environment. We have 3 events running for this fork. They are all unique. It's all about living things. It's fresh, makes you more younger. The fork is really important for the region. It's very important for us as well. It brings different guests, different kind of tourism, and it focuses on, especially on Hawke's Bay. A lot of restaurants are involved and they put a different spin on it, so the best can be offered. That's all about good food and story, a real story. People who comes here are like a family for us.